We are here in front of the Strepitio lift, which is a boat lift about 110 meters high and allows boats of 1,350 tons to pass a drop of 73 meters in one go. This structure enables the connection between the basins of the Meuse and the Escaut, thus facilitating the development of industrial activity and the easing of operations. We use the CalSource software to manage maintenance on the Strepitio elevator, as well as on all of our structures located along the waterways, meaning a set of locks, dams, or fencing dams or pumping stations spread across the entire territory. This allows us to have a global view of all the operations to be carried out on each of them, to have a uniform management of the operations to be carried out and a record of them. It also allows us to manage all the stocks and warehouses that will enable us to have the parts to carry out these operations and to have planning tools for all of our human resources.
The maintenance of the boat lift at Strepitio is fully outsourced. We have several maintenance contracts, a large maintenance contract with about 10 people provided to maintain the equipment installed at the lift, and around 15 specific contracts for the external installations, peripherals to the lift. We use the CalSource CMMS in three aspects. The first is the equipment aspects and the maintenance services we have performed on them. We have implemented a hierarchy in the CMMS that allows us to go down to the equipment that needs to be maintained. For this equipment, we have linked the articles that make up this equipment with the models, and we have established a maintenance plan that is integrated into this CMMS and connected to this structure. On a second aspect, we manage stores. We have nearly 5,000 articles here. They return to the store, and thanks to the computerized maintenance management system, we thus have a complete view of the purchasing and issuing process of our store parts. The last aspect is reporting to allow us to track the various maintenance contracts we have with external companies, which enables us to guarantee our public service mission.
I am the head of the electromechanical maintenance team for the boat lift at Strepitio. We rely on the CMMS CalSource to manage preventive and corrective maintenance, troubleshooting, and logistical improvements. The reporting generated by the computerized maintenance management system is particularly important to ensure compliance with our contractual commitments. With the software, we issue specifically two indicators: a weekly report on hours worked and a monthly billing report. All data entered into the computer-aided maintenance management system allow us to produce an annual report. Thus, we analyze resource utilization and associated costs. For us, the benefits of using the computer-aided maintenance management system CalSource are the planning and monitoring of interventions, traceability of problems encountered on equipment, and the automatic insertion of risk analyses on the preventive work orders.
The CalSource software is a strategic tool. We can achieve considerable time savings, and we will continue to develop it, especially with the use of mobile applications such as CalTouch and CalFlash. CalFlash is a service request application that will allow us to track repair interventions from problem detection to complete resolution via a single platform. By making our equipment more reliable, we enhance the attractiveness of the waterway and anticipate the future, because river navigation is a major tool for the economic development of the region and for respecting the environment.